Hi, welcome back to FrequencyClick, where we help you to build and grow your online business. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most powerful tools you have for promoting your online business, social media. Then, before starting, if it's not already done, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for our upcoming videos. Social media provides an excellent opportunity for you to connect with your audience, increase brand awareness, and drive traffic to your website. In this video, I'm going to share 8 tips and advice on how to use social media to promote your online business, and also explain how to choose the platforms that align with your niche and target audience. So make sure to stay till the end. Know your audience. The first and most important tip when it comes to using social media to promote your online business is to know your audience. You need to understand who your target audience is, what their interests are, and what social media platforms they use. This information will help you to tailor your social media strategy to your audience's preferences. Set goals. Before you start using social media to promote your online business, you need to set clear goals. Your goals could be to increase website traffic, generate leads, or improve brand awareness. Whatever your goals are, make sure they are specific, measurable, and achievable. Choose the right platforms. Not all social media platforms are created equal, and not all platforms are suitable for every business. Choose the platforms that align with your niche and target audience. For example, if you're in the fashion industry, Instagram would be a more suitable platform than LinkedIn. Create a content strategy. To succeed on social media, you need to have a content strategy. Your content strategy should include the type of content you create, the frequency of your posts, and the tone and voice of your content. Make sure your content strategy aligns with your brand's values and resonates with your audience. Be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to using social media to promote your online business. You need to post regularly and consistently to keep your audience engaged and build a loyal following. Engage with your audience. Social media is a two-way conversation, so make sure you engage with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and participate in conversations. This will help you to build a strong relationship with your audience. Use visuals. Visuals are a powerful tool on social media. Use high-quality images and videos to grab your audience's attention and make your content more shareable. Visuals help to break up the text and make your content more appealing. Analyze your results. Finally, it's essential to analyze your results to see what's working and what's not. Use analytics tools to track your social media performance and adjust your strategy accordingly. There you have it. 8 tips to use social media to promote your online business. If you find this helpful, please smash the like button and don't hesitate to share it to someone who needs this. Also, if you have any other tips, suggestions, or questions, leave them in the comments section below. Now, let's talk about how to choose the social media platforms that align with your niche and target audience. Here are 2 examples. First, let's say you're a business that sells handmade jewelry. Your target audience is mostly women between the ages of 25 to 45 who are interested in fashion, accessories, and handmade products. In this case, platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook will be the most suitable platforms for your business. Instagram and Pinterest are visual platforms, and they're perfect for showcasing your products, while Facebook provides a more personal touch and allows you to engage with your audience. Another example we can take is if you run a food blog that focuses on vegan recipes. Your target audience is mostly health-conscious individuals who are interested in plant-based diets and healthy living. In this case, platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube will be the most suitable platforms for your business. Instagram and Pinterest are highly visual platforms that allow you to showcase your food photography and recipes. You can also use Instagram Stories feature to share behind-the-scenes content and engage with your audience. YouTube is another great platform for sharing recipe videos, cooking tutorials, and other food-related content. You can also use YouTube to collaborate with other vegan bloggers and influencers in your niche to grow your audience. By focusing on these 3 platforms, you can reach your target audience where they are most active and interested in engaging with your content. In conclusion, social media is an excellent tool for promoting your online business, but it's important to use it strategically. By knowing your audience, setting clear goals, choosing the right platforms, creating a content strategy, being consistent, engaging with your audience, using visuals, and analyzing your results, you can use social media to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, and build a loyal following. Remember, social media is not a one-size-fits-all solution, so take the time to choose the platforms that align with your niche and target audience. So, if you are motivated, ready to put in the effort, to hard work, and you really want to learn step by step how to use social media to promote your online business and make passive income online, I only have one last thing for you to do. Click on the link in the description of this video. You will get access to a totally free video of me. I'm talking a bit about my story and something really incredible I discovered on the internet a couple of years ago. It blew my mind and I'm still learning every day since I jumped into a challenge that helped me come out of my comfort zone. We do not promote any get-rich-quick program. We strongly believe in hard work, dedication, skills development, integrity, and honesty to empower ourselves. Finally, there are affiliate links in this post, meaning at no additional cost to you, I will be compensated if you click through and take action. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.